Do you use Power BI in your company? Then this is for you. We offer a complete audit of one of your Power BI reports. Absolutely free, no cost and no further obligation. What does it involve? We dedicate a day of consulting to reviewing one of your dashboards from top to bottom. The data model, DAX measures, performance, development best practices, how information is distributed, and the use of charts and visualizations. And what do you get in return? In less than 48 hours, we deliver an executive report with all the opportunities for improvement we've identified, prioritized, and with specific recommendations. And we present it to you in a live session with our team. So, why should this interest you? Are you experiencing performance issues with your dashboards? Do you suspect that best practices aren't being followed? Is dashboard maintenance becoming unmanageable? Just because your Power BI report works doesn't mean it's well done. It means it hasn't failed yet. Our audit provides value to everyone, both those who know something isn't right and those who think they have everything under control. How do you request it? It's easy. Send us an email to info@mistralbs.com. Each month, we select 2 companies from all the applications we receive. We'll meet with you to understand the context, conduct the audit, and present you with the results, along with the full report. Free, no obligation. It's that simple. Want to get in touch?